This fuel tank has clearly seen decades of neglect. The dents and rust tell its long, forgotten story.
The side stand has sunk deep into the earth, showing how long this bike has rested here. Every detail tells a story of...
Amidst the quiet forest, this bike stands forgotten, yet every rusted surface tells a story of time, solitude, and memory.
Here it rests, untouched by time, the forest slowly reclaiming its place.
The surface is rough and worn, each rusted line a testament to years forgotten, the story of time etched in metal.
It stands here, unmoved by time, embraced by the forest. Each rusted detail tells its silent story.
Even in stillness, the forest moves around it. Leaves whisper across its rusted frame, reminding us of the passage of time. After decades of solitude, it has almost become part of the forest, its rust and decay blending seamlessly with nature's palette. Every edge tells a story, weathered, worn, yet quietly beautiful in its decay.
Here it stands, untouched for decades, a silent witness to time, waiting to be remembered.
Carefully, after decades of stillness, it's finally leaving the forest, every detail preserved, every movement deliberate. The years of forest grime are sliding away, revealing what has been hidden for decades. Every detail tells a story. Finally secured, ready for its journey, every rusted detail preserved, every movement measured. After years outside, it finally enters the workshop, each particle of dust telling a story of time and neglect.
Every rusted edge, every flake of paint, they all tell the story of its long journey, patiently waiting for care.
The old seat has seen decades of wear. Carefully, we lift it away, revealing the story beneath. Each bolt holds a story of time. Slowly, we loosen them, revealing the age and character of this machine. Lifting the tank slowly, beneath the surface, the years of decay are revealed, each detail telling its story.
Every bolt and every surface tells the story of time. Carefully, we loosen the exhaust, revealing decades of history.
Lifting the engine slowly, every rusted fin and flake of metal tells the story of its long life and neglect.
Stripped to its bare frame, the motorcycle tells its story through every rusted edge and flake, patiently waiting for restoration.
Loosening the wheels slowly. Each rusted spoke and worn surface tells its decades-long story.
Gently, we lift each link, rust and time revealing themselves in every detail.
Carefully removing the carburetor, years of grime and rust revealed in every crevice.
Inside the engine, time and neglect have left their mark. Every drop of sludge tells its story.
Each piece tells a story. Laid out, they reveal decades of wear, neglect, and history, patiently waiting for care.
This piston has endured decades. Each layer of rust and grime tells its story, patiently waiting to be understood.
These wires carried life through the machine. Now they crumble at a touch, worn down by time. These bearings once carried motion. Now time has locked them in place. The brake drum is completely seized. Layers of rust have replaced motion.
Inside the tank, rust has taken over completely. Every layer shows how long it was forgotten.
With everything removed, the frame stands bare, and this is the foundation, carrying every year of its history. As the rust falls away, the metal begins to breathe again, slowly revealing what remains. This engine carries years of oil, dirt, and silence. Every layer of grime marks a moment it lived through. This gasket once sealed pressure and heat. Now it's fragile, broken, and telling its age.
These bolts have been locked by rust for decades, and now the process of release begins.
Every tool has its place, and every part is waiting for its turn to be brought back.
The frame stands bare, Every line and joint tells a story of time and wear, waiting to be brought back.
Every part has been carefully removed and placed, and this is the story of the motorcycle, laid bare, waiting to be restored. Each stroke removes decades of rust, revealing the frame beneath, one layer at a time.
Every pass removes years of corrosion, revealing the metal beneath, ready to be restored.
Stripped bare, the frame reveals its true form. Each line and weld tells a story of craftsmanship and time.
As the solution works, years of rust and grime gently lift away, revealing the metal beneath.
Each stroke brings the metal back to life, revealing the engine's original shine and craftsmanship. Each part must fit perfectly. Every movement is deliberate to restore function and precision. Replacing these rings is delicate work. Each one must sit perfectly to restore performance and precision. Each bearing must sit perfectly. The wheel's smooth rotation depends on precision and care. Each stroke lays the foundation. The primer seals the metal, preparing it for its next life.
Each strike brings the metal back to life, slowly reshaping years of wear.
Each hole is slowly sealed. Every bead restores strength and integrity to the frame.
Each stroke brings the metal back to life. The shine reveals the craftsmanship beneath decades of wear. Each spoke must be perfectly aligned, removing rust and restoring tension to bring the wheel back to life.
Each wheel must spin true, every spoke adjusted for balance and precision.
Each part must fit perfectly, the brake system restored with precision and care.
Each wire must be routed perfectly. Careful organization ensures reliable performance and longevity.
Each stroke uncovers the shine hidden beneath decades of wear, restoring the handlebars to their original luster. Each piece of foam is carefully positioned, restoring comfort and form to the seat. Placing the fuel tank back, restoring its color and form to its original glory. Every bolt and mount must align perfectly. The engine is the heart of this motorcycle, restored to life. Each chrome part is restored and positioned carefully. The shine and alignment must be perfect. The frame is freshly coated, each surface prepared and painted with care, ready for its next stage. Each part returns to its place, carefully aligned and restored, bringing the motorcycle back to life. Every bolt must fit perfectly, securing the heart of the motorcycle with care and precision.
With the wheels back in place, the motorcycle finally starts to stand on its own again. Every link needs attention. Smooth movement begins with proper care.
This final polish brings everything together. The exhaust fitted, finished, and ready.
The seat goes on last, smooth leather, fitted just right.
The headlight brings clarity back to the front. Clean glass, perfectly set.
These gauges tell the story of the ride. Every mark cleaned, every needle brought back to life.
Fresh oil, the final step before the engine can breathe and move again.
Fuel flows in slow and steady, bringing the machine one step closer to life.
That sound, that's the moment it comes back to life. Yeah.
After all the work, this is where it belongs, moving again.